Hi, today I'm going to show you how to create an order in the Verve Ad Manager. Getting started is as easy as clicking the Order button in the Verve Ad Manager dashboard. From there you can see a list of orders that have previously been created. On the right side is a button that allows you to add a new order. We define the insertion order, we add a flight, which creates the first line item associated with an insertion order, we add a mobile ad, and then we'll review. Let's get started. I'll put a name for my order. The order has a date in which it was placed. It has an advertiser that it's associated with. So there's a long list of advertisers already created, but if the advertiser you're looking for is not there, you can easily add a new advertiser. In this case, I want to use BH Holdings as my advertiser. Now I'll select, this can either be a mobile handset ad or it can be a tablet ad, such as an iPad. We'll stick with a mobile handset, and we'll associate an IAB category with this ad that will allow publishers to block inappropriate advertisers. Now let's create the first flight associated with this order. We'll start off with a flight name for that. Here we go. Flight test number 1. Flights have start dates and end dates. We'll make ours the end of this month. It has inventory associated with it. In this case, we're going to make it run of site, so all of the inventory that we're aware of will be added to this campaign. And here on the right side, we can learn about that inventory. Here we find out that there's 2.3 million impressions available between the start date and the end date for this flight. Of those impressions, 941,000 have already been reserved, and 941,000 have already been scheduled. Reserved includes scheduled inventory plus inventory that has been booked but has not yet been approved by the Verve Ad Ops team. This gives us an amount of inventory that is available for our campaign. Our campaign can be one of two kinds. It can be a CPM campaign or a sponsorship campaign. A sponsorship campaign can have a share of voice associated with it. In this case, we're fine with a CPM. It has a rate and it has a number of impressions. We'll make this a one impression campaign. We also support a variety of advanced targeting options. These zones, content categories that we can target, countries, day of week, hour of day, metro areas, and regions. In this case, let's target New York City. And you can see here that the inventory will adjust to reflect that. This is the total amount of impressions we have available in New York City given the inventory that we've defined. Let's associate an ad with this flight now. Let's call the ad test number 1. Let's give it a destination URL that people will go to after they click. And we can either upload a file or insert a third-party tag, which allows you to insert freeform HTML. I'm fine with uploading a file. We need some alternative text. And then we'll upload our file. Here's a creative. Let's create that. And now we can review. So here you see all the information we have about this flight. Here's when it's running, the CPM, the total budget for the campaign. You can review the placements, you can review the targeting parameters associated with it, and you can see the creatives. If you only upload one creative, we'll dynamically resize that creative if we encounter other phones that require a different size creative. I think we're very happy with this, so we'll submit our flight. It confirms that I'm okay with this, and we're off to the races. This has now been sent off to the Verve Ad Ops team for approval, and you'll receive an email letting you know when the Verve Ad Ops team has approved your campaign. Thank you.